मॉर्निंग बच्चों, टुडे विल डिस्कस अबाउट द spermatogenesis in human being male. How this spermatogenesis occurs, at the which stage this starts, and what is the output of this process. So spermatogenesis occurs to produce sperm, a male gamete. Spermatogenesis. The process of production of sperm, male gamete, in testis is called as spermatogenesis. From this topic, questions are asked in CBSE board examination, sometimes about the phases in NEET also. So we have to see step by step how this takes place, when meiosis occurs, when mitosis occurs, and finally through which process complete spermatozoa development occurs. So here, spermatogenesis, the process of production of sperm, male gamete. Spermatogenesis occurs in testes. Testis is male reproductive organ in which spermatogenesis occurs. Testis is present outside the abdominal cavity in the scrotum to maintain 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade less temperature than the body temperature. Our body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. So the testis is located in pelvic region outside the abdominal cavity into scrotum. And why it is present in scrotum? Question many times asked. Why testis is not present inside the abdominal cavity? Why it is present in the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity? The only and only reason is to maintain 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade less temperature than the body temperature, which is essential for spermatogenesis. As the child takes birth, grows and grows, male child attains puberty about 13-14 year age. Then the hypothalamus of the brain release gonadotropin, release hormone GnRH, and that influence the anterior lobe of pituitary gland, which release the gonadotropin hormone, that is FSH and LH. This gonadotropin hormone plays important role in the development of the spermatozoa and the development of secondary sexual character in male. Especially LH hormone, luteinizing hormone, which is secreted from pituitary gland, that through blood circulation comes into testis. It stimulates the Leydig cell of the testis. The Leydig cell release androgen hormone. Androgen hormone stimulates the spermatogenesis process, and it also stimulates metabolism of the body and development of secondary sexual character like beard, mustache, all this in the teenage male. In the testis there are testicular lobules. About 250 to 300 lobules, testicular lobules are present in each testis, and each testicular lobule contains 2 to 3 seminiferous tubule. These seminiferous tubule are coiled present in testis. In the seminiferous tubule, the lining, inner lining of seminiferous tubule is lined with the male germ cell and the Sertoli cell. Male germ cell are called as spermatogonia, singular spermatogonium. These spermatogonia are the diploid cell. These spermatogonia grows, undergo mitosis division, produce large number of the primary spermatocyte. These are also diploid because spermatogonia undergo mitosis division, produce large number of the primary spermatocyte. Now this primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis division. During meiosis, first it produces 2 cells which are haploid, number of chromosome becomes half, and these 2 cells are called as secondary spermatocyte. Now during meiosis second, this each 2 secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis second and produce two each, means 4 spermatid. These 4 spermatids are haploid. The process of development or production of spermatid from primary spermatocyte, that is called as spermatidogenesis. And now this spermatid undergo structural, morphological and physiological change, anatomical change. Then it develop into sperm, mature sperm, spermatozoa. So the development of spermatozoa from spermatid is called as spermiogenesis. Both spermatidogenesis and spermiogenesis is called as spermatogenesis. So let us see this entire process takes place how and where. If you will see here, the testes contain several testicular lobules. Each testicular lobule contain seminiferous tubule. Each testicular lobule, each testis contain 250 to 300 testicular lobules, and each testicular lobule contain seminiferous tubules. In the seminiferous tubules, there are two types of cells. Germ cell. The seminiferous tubule contain male germ cell, that is called as spermatogonia and Sertoli cell. It contains two types of cells, male germ cell and Sertoli cells. So testes, in the testes, testicular lobules, in the testicular lobule, seminiferous tubules. In each seminiferous tubules, there are the male germ cell, means spermatogonia, and Sertoli cells. So here, this spermatogonia produce primary spermatocyte, then secondary spermatocyte, then spermatozoa. Let us see the structure of seminiferous tubule in the transverse section of this. So here, suppose here is the transverse section of the ovary and testis, TS of testis. In the TS of testis, there are so many. Here is the seminiferous tubules. These are the seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules are containing Sertoli cells, and here are the germ cell. These are the germ cell. These are the germ cell. Here also, here germ cell or male germ cell. This is called as spermatogonia. Here also male germ cell These are called as spermatogonium. Now this male germ cell, or you can say spermatogonia. This is 2n diploid. These are called as Sertoli cell. These are called as Sertoli cell. And here this undergo mitosis division. This undergo mitosis division. When it undergo mitosis division, produce large number of spermatogonia. Then it undergo mitosis division and increase in size. When increase in size, that form the primary spermatocyte. It is 2n. Primary spermatocyte, large number. Now the primary spermatocyte form spermatids. Then spermatids form spermatozoa. So here we can say this spermatogonia due to mitosis division and this increase in size metabolically becomes active. Now this is called as primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte, and then primary spermatocyte produce large number of spermatids. Large number of spermatids. This spermatids, secondary spermatocyte at first, secondary spermatocytes, primary spermatocyte produce secondary spermatocytes, then spermatids. Secondary spermatocyte, then spermatid. अब spermatid undergo spermiogenesis, then produce spermatozoa like this. This is spermatozoa. So here also similar structure will develop. Now, but in between this is the uriniferous, this is the seminiferous tubule, and between these seminiferous tubules, here are special types of cells. These are called as Leydig cells. These are called as Leydig, Leydig cell. From the pituitary gland, when LH hormone comes, this LH hormone stimulates Leydig cell. Then Leydig cell secretes androgen hormone. Due to influence of androgen hormone, this male germ cell spermatogonia becomes active, testis becomes mature and active, and this undergo mitosis division, spermatogonia forms secondary spermatocyte. Now secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis first, form secondary spermatocyte, and secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis second, form spermatid, and spermatid undergo spermiogenesis, form spermatozoa. So this way, in the transverse section of testis, you can see all these are the seminiferous tubule, and in between the seminiferous tubule, here is the Leydig cell or interstitial cell. This produce androgen hormone, and due to the influence of androgen hormone, the secondary sexual character develops as well as the spermatogenesis starts. So in this, how these steps occur in the linear manner, I would like to show you here. Suppose here is the spermatogonia, here is 2n spermatogonia. This spermatogonia is 2n, diploid. It undergo mitosis division. It undergo mitosis division. When it undergo mitosis division, it produce primary spermatocyte. Spermatogonia, that is the meiocyte, it undergo mitosis division, not meiosis, mitosis division, then produce 2n, this is also 2n, primary spermatocyte. Now this primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis first. This undergo meiosis first. This undergo meiosis first. Then it produce two spermatid. It produce here two secondary spermatocyte, not spermatid. Spermatogonia, that is 2n, it undergo mitosis, produce several primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis first, then produce two secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte, and this each secondary spermatocyte are haploid. Now this undergo meiosis second. This undergo meiosis second. Meiosis first, then meiosis second. During meiosis second, each one will produce 4 spermatid. 4 spermatids. Each are young, haploid. This is also haploid. ये भी हेप्लॉइड है, ये भी हेप्लॉइड हो गए. All these spermatids undergo spermiogenesis. Each spermatids undergo spermiogenesis and it produce spermatozoa. Spermatozoa means here this is the male germ or male gamete, that is called as sperm. So 4 sperm are going to this is spermatozoa are sperm. These are haploid. Here you see the entire process of the spermatogenesis. Here in the seminiferous tubule, the inner lining contain male germ cells or spermatogonia and the Sertoli cell. This male germ cell or spermatogonia increase in size at puberty in the influence of androgen hormone which is secreted by the Leydig cells. Now it grows and divides to form the large number of spermatogonia, then undergo mitosis division, produce several diploid primary spermatocyte, and each primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis first, produce haploid to secondary spermatocyte. The secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis second, produce spermatids, each produce 2, then 4 spermatids, and 4 spermatids which are haploid young, all these are haploid young, and this undergo spermiogenesis means metamorphosis and form spermatozoa. This developing spermatozoa get attached with the Sertoli cell, and Sertoli cell provide nutrition to developing spermatozoa in the seminiferous tubule. So what I told, the 2 hormones FSH and LH which are secreted by pituitary gland. Among these, LH hormone stimulates Leydig cell which is present in the testis in between the seminiferous tubule. The Leydig cell secretes hormone that is called as androgen, and this hormone stimulates this seminiferous tubules means testis, and the spermatogenesis starts, and secondary sexual character like beard, mustache appear in the male at teenage puberty. And during this spermatogenesis, the male germ cell spermatogonia increases in size, becomes metabolically active. It undergo mitosis division, produce primary spermatocyte. This is diploid. Now primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis first, then produce 2 haploid secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis second, then each produce 2 means 4 spermatid haploid, and these spermatid undergo spermiogenesis, then produce spermatozoa. Haploid means sperm. These are the male gamete. Now question here arises, what you will say to this stage? Here spermatogenesis takes place in this step. Suppose from spermatogonia to production of spermatid. From spermatogonia to production of spermatid is called as spermatogenesis. The process of production of spermatid from spermatogonia is called as spermatidogenesis. It is called as spermatidogenesis. And the process of production of sperm from spermatid, that is called as meiogenesis. Spermiogenesis, the process of development of spermatid from spermatogonia is called as spermatidogenesis, and the process of development of spermatozoa means sperm from spermatid is called as spermiogenesis, and this both is collectively called as this spermatogenesis. So you can see here what is the spermatogenesis. The process of formation of sperm from spermatogonia is called as spermatogenesis, but it occurs into two phases, spermatidogenesis and spermiogenesis. The process of development of spermatid haploid spermatid cell from spermatogonia is spermatidogenesis, and the process of development of spermatozoa means sperm from spermatid is called as spermiogenesis. Spermatidogenesis and spermiogenesis is collectively called as spermatogenesis. Where this takes place? This takes place in the seminiferous tubule, and this spermatozoa get attached with the Sertoli cell to get nutrition. If we will draw the diagram of one seminiferous tubule, then we can see the entire picture of this. हम इसको देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Here, suppose the one seminiferous tubule. Here is the seminiferous tubule. This one seminiferous tubule contain, these are the Sertoli cells, and here the male germ cells, male germ cells, and this is Sertoli cell. This is male germ cell, or you can say spermatogonia. This grows, divide by mitosis division, produce several spermatogonia, then again it increase in size, then form mitosis division, then produce primary spermatocyte. This is primary spermatocyte. So this is 2n, this is also 2n, and now this undergo meiosis first. When undergo meiosis first, then produce several secondary spermatocyte. This is secondary spermatocyte, and now this undergo meiosis second, then produce several spermatids. These are spermatids, and these spermatids undergo spermiogenesis, then develop into spermatozoa. Here you can see spermatozoa, here spermatozoa, spermatozoa. So this is spermatozoa. This is spermatozoa means sperm. So entire process occurs in this seminiferous tubule. This is the TS, transverse section of seminiferous tubule. In the seminiferous tubule, a Sertoli cell, here the male germ cell, spermatogonia. It increase in size, undergo mitosis, produce so many spermatogonia. Again, increase in size, undergo mitosis, produce so many primary spermatocyte 2N. This primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis first, then form secondary spermatocyte, then meiosis second, then form spermatids, and spermatids undergo spermiogenesis, then form spermatozoa. And the Sertoli cell provide nutrition. The Sertoli cell provide nutrition to developing spermatozoa. Sertoli cell provide nutrition to developing spermatozoa. In NEET examination, question can be asked: so which one is the target cell for FSH? The target cell for FSH is the Sertoli cell, and the target cell for LH is, that is, interstitial cell or leading cell. The FSH and LH both are secreted from pituitary gland anterior lobe. And here the FSH acts upon Sertoli cell and the LH acts upon Leydig cell, which earlier in previous diagram I have told. The Leydig cell release androgen hormone and stimulates the entire this germ cell, and it increases the metabolism of the body. Now spermatogenesis starts. Then this male germ cell, spermatogonia, increase inside, divide and produce large number of bimitosis division, primary spermatocyte. Then primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis first, from secondary spermatocyte. Then undergo meiosis second, the spermatids. Then spermatids undergo spermiogenesis, then form the spermatozoa. So this is the entire process of the development of spermatozoa in the seminiferous tubule of the testis in male. The process is spermatogenesis. Thank you very much.